You've probably seen people generating action figure style images with Google's latest image model, Nano Banana. You've probably wondered, can this actually make money? In today's step-by-step guide, I'll show you a realistic way to use AI image generation to offer affordable product photo shoots to small businesses without studios, models, or expensive gear. AI doesn't replace jobs, but people who know how to use AI will replace people who don't. This method is beginner-friendly and low-cost, but it's not a press-a-button get-rich trick. All right, let's get started with Nano Banana AI. First, open your browser and go to aistudio.google.com. This is Google's official platform for experimenting with Gemini models. Once you're on the homepage, click Get Started. If you already have a Google account, it'll connect automatically. Now, inside Google AI Studio, you'll see several models listed. Things like Gemini 2.5 Pro, Gemini Flash, and the one we're looking for, Nano Banana AI. Click Nano Banana to open it. This is the Gemini 2.5 Flash image model. It's Google's most advanced tool for image generation and editing. At the bottom of your screen, there's a prompt bar. That's where you'll type your command or upload an image. You can choose to upload a file from your computer, take a photo import from Google Drive, or use sample media that Google provides. This model can generate images from text, edit and restyle real product photos, place products on lifestyle backgrounds, and keep a consistent look across multiple shots. Think of it as a virtual studio that can put a sneaker on a wooden desk near a window, a hoodie on a model in a clean studio scene, or a candle on a marble bathroom counter. In the US, many micro brands, especially apparel, footwear, jewelry, candles, skincare, and Etsy/Shopify sellers, struggle with photography budgets. Full studio shoots can run $500 to $2,000 plus. You'll offer a lean alternative, AI-assisted product photo shoots that look polished enough for social posts, listings, and ads at starter prices they can afford. Now open Instagram and search hashtags like #small business, #clothing brand, #Etsy shop, #shop local, handmade jewelry, candle business. You need to look for the profiles with decent products but weak visuals. Save 10 to 15 promising accounts per day. Alternatively, use Etsy search, Facebook marketplace shops, and Reddit communities like r/entrepreneur or r/Etsy. For the example, I'm picking one apparel brand and one footwear brand, and my aim is to show each what an upgraded studio-style set could look like. Remember, for demos, use your own sample products or stock product shots you're allowed to use, royalty-free, or get permission from the brand to rework one image for a free sample. Now, I want to generate an image using just a text prompt. Down here in the prompt bar, I'll type, create a studio shot of a male model wearing a charcoal zip hoodie and black joggers. Neutral backdrop, soft key light, slight shadow on the floor, crisp fabric texture, clean e-commerce look. 4 angles, front, 45 degrees, side, back. Then I'll hit the run button. Within a few seconds, Nano Banana generates a complete set of high-quality, realistic images, almost like a professional studio shoot. Each shot has proper lighting, clean background, and detailed fabric texture. Now imagine you can do this for any product, hoodies, sneakers, candles, or accessories, all without hiring a model or renting a studio. Now let me show you how to use Nano Banana AI to edit an existing product photo, something your client might send you. Let's say I already have a photo of a sneaker. Inside Google AI Studio, I'll click the Upload File option next to the Run button and select that sneaker image. Once it's uploaded, I'll give Nano Banana a simple editing prompt. Here's what I'll type. Place this sneaker on a minimalist concrete surface with soft morning window light and a shallow depth of field. Add a light reflection on the floor. Create 3 variations, a close-up of the toe box, a 45-degree hero angle, and a top flat lay view. Then I'll hit run. In a few seconds, it transforms the plain product shot into professional, lifestyle-ready images, the kind you normally get from an expensive studio shoot. You can tweak the lighting, change the background material, or generate more angles just by adjusting your prompt. Next, let's create a lifestyle image, the kind of photo that small brands use for marketing or social media. Let's say you're working with a candle brand. Instead of shooting an expensive setup, you can do it right here inside Nano Banana AI. I'll click on Sample Media to choose a simple candle photo, or I could upload one from my drive. Now, I'll type the following prompt. Style this candle on a marble bathroom counter with eucalyptus leaves, soft steam in the background, and natural 10 a.m. daylight. Create 3 angles, one front view, one close-up, and one from above, and generate 2 lighting moods, warm daylight, and cool daylight. Then I'll hit run. In just a few seconds, Nano Banana builds a full lifestyle scene around the candle. Realistic lighting, reflections, and depth, like a real professional shoot. Before you send anything to a client, let's go over a few quick quality checks to make sure your AI-generated images look professional. First, always keep brand color accuracy. Second, always ask for multiple angles. Third, when you're exporting, use a high resolution. Keep your images between 2,000 and 3,000 pixels on the long edge. That's perfect for both online stores and social media use. Now for the final delivery, I like to assemble a mini set for each client. 10 total images per product with 2 to 3 different backgrounds, 2 to 3 camera angles, and 1 to 2 close-up detail shots. This way, the client gets everything they need: product shots, lifestyle shots, and ready-to-post images, all from a single AI session. Now let's talk about pricing, because this is where your AI skills turn into real income. When you're just starting out, keep your prices simple, transparent, and affordable for small business owners. Here's a pricing structure that works really well in the market. For your first 5 clients, start with a test package. That's $49 for 10 AI-generated product photos. You can include 1 product, 2 different backgrounds, 2 camera angles, and 1 close-up. Add light retouching, and it's ready to deliver. Once you've built a few samples and have client feedback, move to your core package. $149 for 24 photos covering up to 2 products. Give them 3 unique backgrounds, 3 angles per product, a few close-ups, and include clean white background cutouts for their website listings. Finally, when you're ready to scale, offer a growth package. $299 for 50 images across 4 products, with 4 backgrounds each, multiple angles, and even short video loops created from your images using simple pan or zoom animations. This tiered pricing helps you serve small brands and scale your income as demand grows. Now, where do you actually sell these packages? If you want freelance traffic, post your gigs on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer. These listings work great because small brands search daily for affordable product visuals. But don't rely only on platforms. Start outreach on social media too. Go on Instagram, TikTok, or LinkedIn. Find pages that clearly have great products but poor visuals. Then DM them. That simple message can land you your first paying clients within a week. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.